Hi everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. Today is another day of 30 Days, 30 Looks. Today is going to be a no makeup look. No makeup does take a little effort, not tons. I'm going to start with my L'Oreal Magic BB cream because no makeup should be light. I watched people do a video on this a while ago and it was kind of hilarious because it was like, oh no, you're not trying to make it look like you don't have makeup. You're just doing like an everyday you but better look. Which, don't get me wrong, I'm going to do some things to kind of like amplify a little bit. But I just don't think if you're doing a no makeup look, you shouldn't be wearing foundation. It's going to be heavy. So I would stick with a BB cream. Okay, so BB cream's on. Now we need to conceal. So I am going to do the brightener from Maybelline and then the regular Age Rewind on top of it. I'm almost out, which makes me sad because that means I have to go move on to the other concealers I have because, while I don't think I put that one in the rules of what I can't buy, I know I have stuff I should use up, so who knows? Maybe one will be amazing. I don't know. I don't know why I didn't use my beauty blender. It was sitting here. Okay, and now we conceal. Oh, let me also just make sure I'm blended. That's my only thing with the L'Oreal BB cream is sometimes it does not blend down the face enough. So this, I don't know if I've used it on here yet, is the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Liquid Concealer Waterproof. I got it because Jessica Braun said it's like Shape Tape. She likes it more than Tarte Shape Tape. And I thought, well, Shape Tape breaks me out, so I might as well try it. I pull a little too much, so I'm just going to pull it all over. Once again, not perfect. You can see like my birthmark and stuff. But, okay, it did even me out. I'm going to do a light dusting of Wowder just to set that. I find that like if I don't set the BB cream, depending on the lotions I have on that day, it'll smear all over my face. Okay, now we're on to the thing that like inspired this in the first place. In my Ulta haul, I got this e.l.f. set. Do you like how there's fingerprints everywhere? When you take this out, it's beautiful, and then you put your finger on it and it's disgusting immediately. But I bought this e.l.f. palette on Ulta. That's the total face palette, but it's called like Beautifully Bare or something like that. And I liked that because back in the day I had the Too Faced No Makeup palette, and it is still to this day one of my favorite things ever because you put it on, you just feel, you look like you know, are a nice looking person but not crazy overdone. It does look like no makeup, just like an evened out complexion. So I thought maybe this would help in that way. So, going to take the bronzer and warm up. Totally using the wrong brush for this, so hold on. It needs to be blended out a little. So, nothing crazy. It's not like I want a line showing, right? I am going to take the peachier of the shades because that's just a little more me. Or the brighter, they're both peachy. I'm sorry. The brighter of the peachy shades. See, not crazy, just a little. Then I'm going to take that highlighter one. That it too is kind of like the hourglass ones. It's not like a true bam highlight. It's more like a diffused light filter. And I'm just placing that in areas that I want diffused. So, see, it's still, I'm looking on the monitor. It's like, it doesn't look like I have anything crazy going on. It's just a nice, even tone. I do need to get my eyebrows done. My girl went back to Vietnam. She's coming back, but she, like, when she goes on a trip, she goes for a month. Don't get me wrong. I'm very happy she gets to see her family. I just really need my eyebrows done. So, I'm going to put on a little primer on my eyes. Milani. Trying to use it up. And then I just got this Archery Volume Boost Brow Fiber Gel from Soap and Glory. So I want to try that.
Today we'll use this one.
I don't know if it's amazing, but it's getting the job done. Okay, so for eyeshadow, going in with my I've got hiccups, why? Going with my Too Faced Boss Lady Agenda and just putting Marshmallowed all over my eye. This is more just because I have greasy lids, and if I don't put this on, they'll feel terrible all day long. And just sticking with that natural idea, I mean, this shade is just barely darker. And I just want it to give my eye the littlest bit of depth. So still looks like I'm not wearing makeup. I do have to put on mascara or else I really do look like I'm not alive. My eyes are so tiny. So this is one of the two spots where we're gonna like amp up a little bit. I am gonna use my Benefit They're Real mascara, and I'm gonna do this and come back in and talk to you because it's not exciting. Okay, so I have eyes now, yay! So eye makeup done. We are finishing with lip. This is the one part that's gonna be a little like ba-bam, because it just looks pretty. When everything else is so just kind of like muted, we're staying with the muted. It's just gonna be real glittery. It's the Buxom lip gloss in Amy. It is our full-on lip polish, I should say. So it is super glittery, not glittery, shimmery. And so once again, it just gives a little depth to a very bare lip. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this no makeup look. Let me know in the comments what else you would like me to do. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video. Hit that little thumbs up like button. Be notified. And if you haven't entered the giveaway, enter the giveaway. It's going on until February because I set the contest rules wrong. And I can't stop it now. So the giveaway is just going on for a while. If you want to see what that giveaway is, it is the Christmas video. I will try and put it in a card right here or link it below. But in case I forget, it's the Merry Christmas video. Go check it out. Now you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.